Hi everybody, Ryan with WiiM. Today we're going to set up a WiiM Sub with a WiiM Sound. Now, the reason to add a subwoofer is because this speaker is a little small and the low end is not massive. And so we're going to add a subwoofer to add a big boost to that low end of the audio. So in the app, I've already got the WiiM Sound connected, and so we just need to add the WiiM Sub to it. So we're going to press Add a Device, and it'll find the sub right away if we're already in pairing mode, which it is. So we can hit Setup Now. It'll start connecting. Since my WiiM Sound was already set up, it already has the wireless credentials that we need for this network. So the WiiM Sound is just going to get those connection details and it's going to reconnect to your network just like any of your other devices. Once it's set up, which shouldn't take too long here, we'll be able to then pick which room it's going to pair with. All right, now that we're connected, we can press Next. It's going to check to see if there are any firmware updates necessary. Since there aren't any, it's just going to ask if we want to name it. I'm just going to make the name a little more friendly and delete it. And then here we are asked which room we're going to pair it with. So we're going to say that one. We're going to hit Next, and then it'll connect. Immediately after connecting, it's going to ask if you want to run subwoofer RoomFit. So we're going to say yes here. We're going to hit Next, and the whole process of RoomFit is going to use the app's connection with your microphone on your phone to test the audio of the room and find a sweet spot. So it's going to play some audio. When you hear it, you hit Next. You can start tuning. Now, normally you'd want to have your subwoofer put in the room in the right position. As you can see, this is not where we're going to be setting it up for the long term, but just to show you what it looks like in the app, it'll analyze it. We'll get a little bit of a curve that we can apply if we wanted to, and then we can move on to the next step. So we're going to say complete correction. We'll save this profile. And that's how you connect a WiiM Sound to the WiiM Sub.